को अस्सलाम वालेकुम. So साथ थे अब हैप्पी है because Nafia ड्राइव कर रही है. We going away?
Mina's house.
Yes. So when Maliha left,
I felt sad.
Sumaya left. She was she cried too much. Ella was crying too much, and then Nafia promised them. Nafia ने उसे कहा कि हम आएंगे 2 दिन बाद. तो अभी Nafia अपना promise पूरा कर रही है और हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेडफोर्ड सुमैया के पास.
That's what I said to me.
ये सब बहुत रो रहे थे. Yeah. What you say to Mila?
Mila.
What you say to Mila?
I said I miss you, my baby. I'm going to sleep now. I love you so much. I pray I get better. No, I was saying no because I don't want her to go to sleep.
Oh, to Mila.
Yeah.
So Mila, Jesse, where she gone? Nafia? Tanzania. तो वहाँ उसकी पाँव फट गए. उसकी illness ने attack कर दिया. She was so, we were all so stressed. Alhamdulillah today she's fine. और आज वो चली गई है सफारी राइड पे तांजानिया में. मुझे ये तांजानिया नाम भी याद नहीं रहता. नाफिया और पापा आगे बैठे हैं और हम तीनों पीछे बैठे हैं. Nafia complaining about work, that he worked too much. So चले मिलते हैं. Just arrived after 6 hours to Bradford. Happy? But we are very tired. Oh Nafia, look. I saw this in.
I was pregnant with Harim there.
Yeah, in Sumayya's wedding. No. It's Sami's wedding.
Sammy's wedding.
Oh my God. I love my daughter. Nafia अपना वीडियो बना रही है उसके लिए, आईब्रो बनाने के लिए. चले मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. अपना डेली वो कर रही है टिकटॉक के लिए.
Yeah, TikTok. You go on the thingy, and I always put it on my thing. So you know what's really good is applying foundation or your base products with
I love this product.
any kind of powder puff. It doesn't have
But
to
I love
be,
the black one.
yeah. But this isn't the this isn't a Trigger cosmetic. It's just a little powder puff. So is this a Sculpt Beauty, which is a really
But
good
you
brand.
give me that, innit?
Yeah, I did. But
I always shopping from Nafia shop, so
yeah, and my studio as well.
yeah.
So this is the Maybelline, guys.
Yeah.
You need to get this.
Yeah.
If you don't like a lot of foundation on your skin and that cakey feel,
Oh my God, it's so
this
light.
is light.
And it's only £7, isn't it?
Sometimes it's £7, but the original price is £10.
£10. Guys, we're not promoting anything, but we won't always share our good product with you. So yeah.
Yeah, what are you talking about promoting?
But
We're on
Nafia,
YouTube.
No, but still خلق بوي كنا چدا جوड़ product promote कहीं पे YouTube.
But if you promote it on YouTube, that would be like if you link it up.
Yeah.
If it's a paid promotion, if you haven't bought it yourself, if it's
Yeah.
gifted. But it's not a promotion thing. It's literally right.
Now if you tell about your the concealer you put on, because I always
concealer
love
that
your
I put
eyes.
on is H&B.
So guys, I love
H&B concealer.
yeah.
And the eyebrow pencil, this one, if you've got money to spend, this eyebrow cheat from Charlotte Tilbury is really good. Or the Lottie London one, or this one from Pink Honey is really good as well.
Yeah.
But the best one for like felt tip pen stroke is NYX.
Basically, Nafia learned makeup from me, but now the technique she used, honestly, sometimes I just surprised. I say, I did all, like I was a makeup artist since like 25 years ago when no one was doing bridal makeup, and now I say, oh my God, this girl know too much.
Because I like it, innit? When you like something, then it's...
But Nafia, when you were a little girl, you like young girl, you never liked makeup. You only like eyeliner. You remember?
Yeah, because Mama, you never allowed me to put makeup on.
Oh yeah.
I liked all kind of makeup, but you didn't allow me.
Like Ella don't like any makeup because the mother don't allow her and she don't like it.
No, she just doesn't like it because she thinks she's God's gift. That's different.
Yeah. Oh my God. Ella say, Alhamdulillah, I'm so beautiful. So why should I need?
Yeah. And the thing is, her mum doesn't put makeup on.
Yeah, her mum.
I'm always like, look at Amaya and Harim. They always want to put blush on or something like that because they see me put it on.
No, Amaya.
No,
Amaya.
not Amaya.
Oh my
Ask
God! Look
Amaya
at the
now.
eyebrow, girls. Look at the eyebrow. No, the other eyebrow which is finished. Like you know,
This is finished too, but I just did more hair
God,
strokes.
it's so-
The more hair strokes
I wish
you do,
I record the whole video for you guys.
and I did it pretty quick, but usually
5 minutes. 5
yeah, I
minutes.
do it pretty good.
Now, can you tell just a little bit to my YouTube family that how you did your eye? So
So what you do is you take any concealer, either a primer or concealer, but I like concealers. So I got this. I used this and I carved it out like this. Okay.
like give a shape to eyebrow.
Yeah, I gave the shape where I want my hair strokes to start, and then I took a flat brush.
Yeah.
This is any flat brush. You could take a flat
Yeah.
brush like this, but the best flat brush is actually one of my friends, Look a Million. She's got brushes, this kind of flat brush, and then basically this is for the fine detail, so you could
Yeah.
do that.
So if
And
you got flat brush,
So what you
this
do,
is for the
yeah, so you do carve it out like
Yeah.
this, and you basically then do a line there, so you know
Yeah.
that it's symmetrical.
Yeah.
The main thing that it takes ages on is symmetry. If I had half an hour to do my eyebrows,
Yeah.
my eyebrows are like I could do them perfect, but I don't have that much patience. That's why in every video my eyebrows are different.
No,
My eyebrows are
I
different.
always love your eyebrow.
Because you're my
always.
mama, ma.
No, it's not that enough.
You are. You're my mum. You gotta like me.
Yeah. And then she applied the. So I'm gonna
Then-
show you her eyeshadow when she applied.
Then
okay?
I'm not doing eyeshadow. Right
Oh,
now.
she not doing eyeshadow. Sorry, guys.
Do you know
but-
what's the biggest, really good tip?
Yeah.
If you are somebody that, you know, just wants a nice quick eye thing, take a bronzer,
Yeah.
okay? Any bronzer,
Yeah.
cheap, whatever. It doesn't have to be costly. And get a brush that's probably this thick,
Yeah.
any brush,
And just dab it
literally like that.
on top of your
Just
concealer.
on top of your concealer,
Yeah.
you could just do that, and it literally looks like
You
you've
go
taken-
give any transition like to the eyebrow bit or no?
you. If you can see, it
Yeah,
looks
look
like
gold.
it looks like I've already done
Oh my
eyeshadow
God.
transition.
Yeah,
Can you
look-
see that?
look, okay.
It looks
Then-
like it's blended. There's no blending. I've
So
literally.
it's basically just
It's
the
because
primer,
you've got the
primer
concealer on,
concealer.
and you just do this.
That's it.
That's it. So once you do that, then on top of it, if you want to make it a
So
little
that's
bit.
all you do. And I thought
That's
you
all.
did so much blending
No,
and
no, no, no. When I do eyeshadow, but if I don't have time, this is what I do. I literally
Oh my
take the
God.
bronzer and do that.
And you know, because I hate blending, that's why I never put eyeshadow on.
No.
Otherwise, I love to have that kind of eyeshadow.
Is literally that amount, and then this is your base to do anything.
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 You can
If
apply
you-
any colors.
You
on
could
them.
apply any colors after this.
on top of bronzer.
And-
Nafia, I learned something new from
Yeah,
you
and
today.
then what the best thing is, if you want to make it a little bit smoky, just get a black pencil. Okay, if I can find the black pencil.
Yeah, Nafia didn't. Nafia, everything is
Okay.
proper messed up.
So say black normal pencil.
Yeah, wait,
Yeah.
let me go in here. Yeah.
You get black normal pencil, any
Yeah.
kind of coal or whatever. Then you just do that. Okay, you could just literally do
Just
that.
like half.
Half. This is up to you now. If you want to do half, you can do half, and get any brush. Okay. Get
That's for
any
the
brush.
smoky.
Yeah. Any brush. And that's it.
That's it. Okay, Nafia, can you hold it for 1 minute? I'll
Look at
take
that.
your picture. Oh my God, close your eyes. Oh my God. Just a little thing.
How long was that?
1
minute?
minute?
Yeah.
1 minute?
A minute. You don't need to be no pro, and literally it looks
And
like...
guys, by the way, Nafia didn't use any makeup, no foundation, nothing. This is my beautiful daughter.
Oh no, I
okay?
use a skin tint.
Yes, skin tint. Oh, okay, sorry. Hey, I take my
So
words
if you
back.
want to make it more whatever, then bring it down, just to make your eyes a little bit bigger,
Oh, I love
and just do
this.
that.
Guys,
Okay, and if you want to make it a little bit more Arabic style,
just give the kink.
give it in the middle, make it a little bit darker. You can
Yeah.
literally go in with this. And
Oh
just like
my
that.
god.
And that is a glam, soft glam eye makeup look.
So inshallah I'm gonna post some more beauty tips, okay guys? Inshallah, but comment if you like it, then I'll post it. But Nafia know the amazing tips in eye makeup and blusher. These two things I
What do you
love.
mean blusher?
I love the way you put blusher on.
Blusher?
Yeah.
Why? What
Yeah,
about
look at
blusher?
that, look at that.
What about blusher, ma?
The way you put blusher on, like you take it to up to your cheeks and around your eyes. I love that technique. Inshallah, I'm gonna post it, guys. Okay. I'm going to pray Juma now,
Yeah,
and
we're
see
gonna
you in a
pray.
bit.